Checking out the Menards toolbox. Check these things out. That is cool for holding all of your screwdrivers and bits like that. They're removable. So that is the middle box. Easy to latch, but I don't like these metal latches. The top box. Well, look, this doesn't sit all the way back. It doesn't latch back. You have to hold it, which is a downfall. But you have these. To unlatch them from the side, you actually pull out, which is really convenient. A lot better than the Tough System 1.0. Then in the bottom box, you have this drawer here. And that's pretty much it.